In this video, I'll show you how to make the waves bracelet. For this project, you'll need a 4.25 millimeter crochet hook, some scissors, and some size 4 medium weight yarn in whatever color you like. To start out, I'm going to just make a little slip knot to get my yarn on my hook, and then I'm going to chain 37. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just continue on until you have 37 chains, and I'll meet you there. And once your chain of 37 is complete, we're going to find the second chain from our hook and just do a slip stitch into it. Now we'll find the next chain on our hook and do a single crochet. And then in the next chain, we're going to do a half double crochet. And now in the next one, we'll do a double crochet. In the next one, we'll do a half double crochet. And in the next one, we'll do a single crochet. And now we're just going to repeat that, starting with our slip stitch in our first little chain, a single crochet in the next one, a half double crochet in the next one, a double crochet next, and then a half double crochet next, and then last we do our single crochet. And now we're just going to continue repeating that, starting with our slip stitch. And just continue on down your chain. And I will meet you down there near the end to show you how we finish this off. Now I'm on my last couple of stitches. Here is the last half double crochet and my last single crochet. And now I can pull my yarn out and cut my yarn. And now pull out my little loop, and you can see I have 2 ends of yarn on the one side. So now to connect my bracelet, I'm just going to kind of curl it around and be careful to make sure that I'm not twisting it around. And then I'm just going to grab my hook and pull one of those little ends of yarn through to this other side here, just by grabbing it and pulling it on through. And then I can take these 2 ends and tie a good square knot so that they stay nice and tight and my little ends of my bracelet stay together. So a little right over left and left over right to secure that. And then you can either cut your yarn here or you can weave in your ends down through your stitches. I like to weave them in just to make it extra secure, but you can either weave them in or just cut them, whatever you like. I'm just going to grab a little yarn needle here to weave mine in. You can also just use your crochet hook to kind of pull them through the bottom of your stitches too. Then I'm just going to snip my yarn off and then weave in this other side here. And then I will snip this yarn off as well, and then my bracelet is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I think this bracelet is really cute. I love the little wave pattern that it makes. And it looks cute when you stack it up with other colors. So I hope you have fun at making this bracelet for yourself and for all of your friends. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!